Magic Kingdom. We came a bit late after we arrived at our resort and got checked in. We got a good little spot behind the castle. We're gonna try and watch the fireworks. This is like this is the first time he'll be seeing Happily Ever After, so very excited.